But as for you, be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded. Amen. Hey guys, so we are currently in London. Going for a day pass, but also like having a cute girls' day out with a friend Tanya, but she's getting lashes done right now, so we're gonna show her right now. But yeah, right now just at Subway. When I tell you today started off so ghetto, something funny, but just it was actually funny. It was actually God's grace that we made that finish. Because if not, I would be 4 minutes later. We actually still made it. But my hair, guys, if you don't know what to go for, go with the hairstyle that suits you best. Don't try new things. Don't do it. Do the makeup look you always do. Don't try venture out. I don't advise it at all. But we're here now and it's looking very ghetto. But I'll keep you guys updated with like everything I get up to today. I'm gonna go look for something to eat. The day party's definitely already started, but obviously I'm Nigerian, she's in, we're never gonna come on time, do you know what I mean? Anyway, but this hair on time. This hair is from WIGs. I'll put my discount code somewhere on the screen. But yeah, stay tuned. Okay, cool. We're going to get cereal now because obviously we just ate and yeah, we're all fresh eating. Well, low-key, I really hate my makeup for today and I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. Is it closed? I think it's closed. Why are we catching L's on L's today, guys? Yeah, where else can we get chewing gum? £2. Yeah, no. Okay guys, they were trying to charge us £2 for chewing gum. There's no way. There's absolutely no way. But that looks so pretty, this street. I'll show you guys. It does, doesn't it? Not you be my guys. Has spoken to me before I ate. So I said, are you fucking crazy? Are you dumb? Can you see I'm hungry? Why do you think you have? Why? Yeah. What if that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo, Tanya, it's the same thing. Tanya, it's the same thing. Central line, right? Do you know the danger? I'm so dumb. Oh yeah, platform too. Yo, it's packed. Pack of sardines. It was so packed in that tray, and we finally get a fresh air now. Guys, pretty good, but I'm tired. I'm sweating. This nigga did not last at all. Yeah, just a mess up in general. I'll fix it though. Guys, we're leaving now. We're trying to hurry to get our trains and coaches. It was really good actually, but I just felt really underdressed, and normally I never feel this way. I feel like I'm always the one overdressed and like on theme. But today, guys, oh my god, never again. But yeah, catch you guys later. Okay guys, I thought I'd do outro right now. It was really fun in London today, as always. I feel like London always gives me a really good time. Today was a success. I'm really happy with it, and the motive actually ended up being really good. Not sure if you guys can hear me, but it's because it's really dark and everyone's around me. I just don't want to talk out too loud, but yeah, it was really fun. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's a few moments later. I kind of got ready because I'm gonna go quickly do shopping at Zara because I'm thinking of doing like a Zara haul for you guys. So I thought I might as well take you guys with me to like kind of have a sneak peek of things I'm gonna pick up. And low-key, I've not been in Zara in such a long while now anyway, so I just felt like we might as well go in there and see what they have. Of course I could do online shopping, but I'm not really a big fan of online shopping, especially when it comes to like Zara, because it's too chaotic. I'm quite chaotic myself, so I feel like me trying to even attempt to get something from Zara, I would end up with a t-shirt because I just can't find anything on there. Whereas like in person, going in there works a lot better for me. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting for my friend. Me and him are just gonna quickly go to the library. I need to print something out, and then after that I'm gonna quickly go Zara, or even all the way around because it's quite late now and Zara closed at 7 p.m. It's kind of 5 p.m. now, so I kind of don't want to waste time. But in terms of my outfit, I really like my outfit today. This is what I'm wearing. Don't mind the mess at the back, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this tank, this dark brown tank top with these white jeans. I feel like this is really cute. It gives clean girl vibes. Hold on, let me step backwards. Yeah, it gives, don't mind the mess in the background. I'm really just trying to pack and clean everything up, and even just got ready, so it's a bit of a mess. But yeah, this is the outfit. Really like it. Bit of jewelry. Why is people shouting? But yeah, anyway. Really? Do you want to come on my vlog? Alright, cool. Alright, guys, I feel like Zara has cute things, but it's not as colourful as I'd want it to. I'm here with my friend, but he doesn't want to come in camera. He's being childish, I like. But yeah. Well, this dress is cute. Guys, this dress is so cute. It's a vibe. I like it. All these clothes are actually really nice. Let me show you. Guys, as you guys know, I'm very much of a blazer girl, and I've always wanted like blazers like these, and I feel like the detailing doesn't look too cheap, so it looks really nice. Actually, it's very high end, and it's so heavy as well, so it gives off good quality as well. I might get it. Let me see the sizes. think I might get a size medium. I don't know, because I like my blazers quite big. I do like that blazer. Okay, so this is what a small looks like on me. And guys, I literally love it. It's really nice. It's really fitted, and I think I might like it fitted a bit more oversized. I really like it. It's so nice. I actually might get it. I like it.
I'm missing and disappear when I'm bored. But girl, what qualities was I looking for before? Who you settling for? Better for you.
Now I've picked up a few more things, and I just really love this bag. And that blazer's still there, of course. And I picked up this cute black dress, which is just to die for. Which obviously you guys will see in my haul. Like, I don't know, what do you even call this style? It's a bit boho chic, maybe? I don't know. But I'm loving it. And even those heels, I've got my eyes on those heels. The beige ones, love them. Is this dress not to die for? I feel like it's such a cute cocktail dress, you know, chic. Love that.
Give, but you cannot take love.
Yeah, I needed to hear that shit. I hate when you're submissive. Passive aggressive over texting, I feel the distance. I look around at peers that surround me, these niggas tripping. I like when money makes a difference, but don't make you different. Started realizing a couple places I could take it. I wanna get back to when I was that kid in the basement. I wanna take it deeper than money, pussy, vacation. And influence a generation that's lacking the patience. I've been dealing with my dad, speaking of lack of patience. Just me and my old man getting back to basics. We been talking about the future and time that we wasted. When he put the bottle down, girl, that nigga's amazing. Well, fuck it, we had a couple Coronas. We might have wrote a white paper, just something to hold us. We even talked about you in our couple of moments. He said we should hash it out like a couple of grown-ups. You a flower child, beautiful child, I'm in your zone. Looking like you came from the 70s on your own. My mother is 66 and her favorite line.
Yeah. This is even safe. Everyone would know where I live now. If you're from Notts, you know the street. If you're from Notts, you know this street. You know where we are right now. But right now we're just gonna quickly get food. Chinese, hello?
Yeah.
You're gonna get me. I have food at home. The amount of the money I just spent right now is giving me a headache, low key.
Sometimes I can't go home, man. It just ain't the same on the phone, but everybody's gotta go, don't they? Yes, we do. So if you need a hero, just look in the mirror. No one's gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. And everybody's hurting, everybody's going through it. But you just can't give up now, cause you gotta save yourself. Yeah, I gotta hang on. The sun will come out.
Okay, so this is my outfit for today. This top is from Mistress Rocks. Jeans are from ZARA, I think. Oh, I saw bag and my Dior sliders, so. Hey, how are you?
I'm good, babe.
I'm vlogging right now. Thank you. I thought it was gonna be a live. I was like, maybe if we. Okay guys, so we've gone this far now. It's installed. I'm just gonna do different styles and just straighten this up because right now it ain't it. If it's just me, but like, you know when you've just been doing makeup for so long, your normal makeup look just doesn't work for you anymore. I think that's what I'm going through right now. This hair is from Heavy Wigs. Make sure to use my discount code when you order from them. But yeah, make sure to follow them on Instagram as well. So yeah. Okay guys, we're done. I'm literally so in love. Like, I could have never done my hair like this myself. I feel like I need to start learning how to comb my hair by myself because it never comes out this way. But when I tell you I'm obsessed, like, lace wear. I just wish I bought like a bronzer to kind of patch up over here, but it's fine. I'm just gonna take some content now and hopefully it comes out good, but I'm literally obsessed. I was not even looking at the right camera, but yeah, this hair is super long. Let me show you guys. Super long, and just the curls, she cut lace into it. And when I tell you, that's another thing I need to start learning because that's just a game changer. Giving Real Housewives, do you know what I mean? It's giving Real Housewives, it's giving Desperate Housewives. If you watch that, comment down below because best show out there, for real.
Still not understanding this logic. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me be better. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever.
Okay, I'm on my way back home now. I'm thinking I might take pictures with my friends instead of doing content, mainly because this makeup's expired and the clothes have dropped already. So I think I'll just take pictures with my friends and then I'll call it a day. Thanks for staying tuned and watching this video. Hopefully you watch it up until the end. Hey guys, so I'm back now and I've re-curled my hair again because those curls dropped so quick. It was not even funny. I think it's the curling rod she used because the one I use right now, just they feel a bit more steadier, but they're not as cute. So hopefully these fall a little more so they're a bit cuter, but I'm not mad at it. I mean, I feel like it's better than nothing. I'm here with Tochi. She's still getting ready, but we're gonna go take pictures. Okay, she made a show now.
Hey guys!
We're done taking pictures. Ew, what was that?
Them pictures went dumb hard.
The
okay?
pictures were dumb hard. By the time I've edited this vlog, then we would already post the
more
pictures,
time.
and I'll put it somewhere here because the pictures were dumb hard.
Y'all
Like,
be ready.
for real, but now so it was a good day. It seemed a bit shaky at the start, but you know we go hard or whatever. Yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys later. I think this might be the end of the vlog. Maybe if I don't end up doing anything tomorrow, it might be the end. But thanks so much
You're
for
doing
sticking.
something tomorrow.
What are we doing tomorrow? This girl, there's nothing going on tomorrow. Put this boss hit you. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right now, and it's been good. Mwah.
Bye.